All right. Yes, a lot of people have suggested that I should do a video concerning these Hello Kinky. Yes, it is still on the market, and to those ones who would want to buy them, you're going to follow that link in the description, and that is www.darlinguganda.com. Yes, we'll be getting those hair extensions. But before, I would like to show you how it made it on TikTok because everyone loved the look. And I decided to bring here the tutorial so that you can see how protective I do it, very, very detailed. So if you have time, please, I would like you to give me your time. And if you have any question, just go right in the comment section. Tell me what you would need to understand about this hair extension. The crochet. Trust me, I'll be there to answer you because this is very, very simple, and the method is also very, very protective, as you're going to be seeing. So once we hold the hair and we make it into 3 portions, you just bring your hook this way and you lock it. Make sure you use the one in the middle. Then after all that, you're going to bring all your threads this way, and then you start braiding. And this is very simple when you're trying to braid. You see how I'm doing it? I'm not doing it in an updo way. I'm doing it in the inward knotless braiding. You can see how I'm doing this. And I've been telling you that this method helps me so much in the way that if this client wants to do a repair, I will just lock her hair. Yes, it is simple. I will just lock her hair the way it is. So that's why I always opt to use these inward knotless braiding, and it's very, very nice. So the question would be how many pieces we used, and of course you can use 2 to 3. Yes, they are very, very packed enough for you to finish them well. So this is how we're going to hook it out. But before we go far, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the place where you always find videos every week. And yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, remember. And I work at Hair by Clippers. Remember, we have a beauty school. And yes, we are continuing with our lessons. The January intake is in progress, so you can come and join us at Clippers home. And still, those ones who are very far, you can go online and type www.hairbyclippersinstitute.com. Then you choose the course that you're going to take. They're all there. So as we're continuing, please, I would like to get your questions. Like if you have a question you'd want to ask about this hair extension. But trust me, I love the method, and it is very, very protective, still long lasting. So let's see how it is going to come out.
Hair by Clippers. Confidence said we give it out to like you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big baller, shot callers tukola kwa babaze ulida. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splash it. Hair by Clippers, we the best. 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 Yeah, hair by Clippers. Hair by Clippers. Yeah. Hair by Clippers. Hair by Clippers. Yeah. Hair by Clippers. Hair by Clippers. Hair by Clippers. Hair by Clippers. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Yeah. little loving. Oyagala kola kavidi oshanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomukono mukugo gumanije gukora. Yitakiwa crochet master. Yakugu kamo vidi kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you are crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Crochet Maurice. Maurice. Yeah, one time, you know. Youngster. Oh na. Yeah. One time, baby. Yeah. Hey, baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabi kabulunji uma baby Chana. Okole dewa kavidi kwe koyoresha. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basi bubiri mwato buriyo. Basi be misono mwato jiriko. Hair by clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, follow hair by clippers. Falling it like expected. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Falling it like expected. Yeah. Oh na. It like expected. Yeah. They want crochet master. A big one. Yeah. Oh na. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na. Hair by clippers. Falling it like expected. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. Oh no. Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way that you're looking. Yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I Maurice the crochet master did it for the ones that make us smile every day. The nigga did you so right.
Pour the hearts and all they
makeup
do
so nice. Body fine like wine.
Work so hard for us to be so bold. Stand tall. We appreciate you. We love you. We say thank you. Yeah, we say
nobody do it like Maurice. Crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice. Nobody do it like you.
all our lives we've been waiting for us to spawn. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are.
We got the touch of a crochet master. Here for you. A touch of a crochet master. Maurice. Yeah. We got the touch of a crochet master. Maurice. Your crochet master. Maurice. Your crochet master. Touch of a crochet master. It's so good. Yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. Oh no. Got those around my